Hey YouTube, what's up guy, what's up. So here I got a DJI Action 5. So I did a little research between this and a GoPro. So I made up my mind to get a Action 5. The review and stuff, I lean towards the Action 5. It's a very um tiny camera. I guess it worth it because the quality is really good. um the night vision also is really good. I did a little video of it. That's gonna be my next video. It's not bad. I think they have like an advance, I think it's called, where you get different gadgets. Because for me, I had to order it separate. So with this, it only came with one battery, no SD card. It also came with a little, I would say, universal, because under the bottom of it, it have like magnet. So it came with something for attached with it, and I'm assuming that's what you use to put it different places. So you can actually put it different places. That little thing that came with it is basically the universal. For example, you want to do a mount, you got to put that on first before you use the mount and stuff. So it is not bad. As you can see right there, that's the battery and stuff. As I said before, the SD card, I have to get it by myself, so it's not bad. The quality of it is okay. Also, I think if you want like a wider lens or something, that lens cover can actually come off and you get your own. That's what happened when you turn it on. That's the first time turning it on. You actually have to scan that and get it on your phone so you can use the app. But yeah. For the charging, it has it came with a Type C. Yeah, Type C. Not bad. I guess we're moving towards that now. So, I mean, if your phone uses a Type C, you can also use that Type C to charge it, right? For charging, it's not bad. It charged very quick and also die very quick too. Probably the max you can get out of it is probably 2 to 3 hours, I think. And that I forgot about that piece. That is like a protective cover or something. But I think you use it if you're doing like horizontal videoing. I think you can use that or whatever. That also came with it. I'm assuming you can stick it anywhere to take a shot, but it has to place there. So this is the magnetic thing that I'm telling you about. I was trying to see if it can actually like stick with it, but no, because it actually have a clip. So I gotta squeeze that two little clip that is there to actually put it on and stuff like that. So yeah. But anyway guys, take a look on the stuff. And so This is what I actually purchased separately, and to get the mounts on it. So it has quite a few different. I think it came with probably 98 mount. So they have like various mount, like for bike, cars, stuff like that. But I just took whatever I need, and here's a look on what's actually inside. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate every single one of you, and that's like a chest plate or something like that. And then you got your, what do you call it, the wrist, the tripod. It's very tiny, right? I think that's also a risk. And then you have